Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change cellular data usage in Netflix. Now let's begin. Do note that I already have the Netflix application installed in my mobile device and I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's try to change cellular data usage. Right here at the bottom, you will find some settings, namely Home, Games, News and Hot, and your profile. Simply click on the button at the bottom right, that's your profile. Now something like this will open up. Now what you need to do to change cellular data usage is simply focus on the top right section. Here's the search button right here. From here you can search for any video that you would like to watch, and right here are these three lines. Simply click on it. Now something like this will pop up from the bottom. What you need to do is simply go to app settings. Once you're in the app settings, now at the top right, here's something like video playback, and right below it there is cellular data usage. Simply click on it. Now it's going to give you these few options. Right now it's an automatic, you can simply turn it off, and you can select these three modes: Wi-Fi only, save data, or maximum data. You can choose from any one among your wish. And once everything's alright, simply click on this OK button right here. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change cellular data usage in Netflix. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this too, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.